Yo, what's happening, my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a good day because tomorrow the Supra is finally going into the body shop. So what we're going to do today is fit the bumper on and maybe swap over the wheels and everything. So hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, yo. Cheers! Not gonna lie, yeah, I do love picking the wrong days when it's raining and shit. But yeah, do you know what? It's gotta get done. And yeah, we're gonna be back on the road. Jeez, gassed about that. And let's show you while we've got to swap over the wheels. I don't know, we'll see. Might have to anyway. As you all see, it's on the stock rims. Yep, that's got pressure. That's got pressure. Woo. That one is flat as a doornail. I was considering putting the tyre weld in there, but I don't know if it's gonna actually work or not. Maybe I'm better off just swapping the rims. But let's get this bumper on. Yeah, it's always loads of fun fitting a heavy bumper, right? Anyways, let's get on with it. Fighter. Right, round two, fight! After having a nice, good old fight with it, I figured out put a bolt in one side and get it on. Let's show you that 10-10 fitment, shall we? Mint. It will be, anyway. I kind of find it funny. Doesn't it look like the car's going... Oh, can't wait. It's going to be straight, yo. Stay charged, yo. Okay, so for now, front end's basically done. Taking the indicator out because, yeah, that's expensive shit, man. But, yeah, what I'm going to do, get some fuel for it now. And we're going to get the tyre weld, put that in. Fingers crossed that does the job. But, yeah, let's wait for tomorrow and get it straightened up and get it, yeah. Woo! Stay charged, yo. The next day, guys. And yes, it's finally going into the body shop. Jeez, come on. Man is gassed. Today, we're at the body shop. Barnet Motor Medics. Just removing the bumper. Like that, yeah. Like my pink stick. Cool. Should be sitting straight. Jeez. Oh, I love the fucking sound. Bye, Supra. See you when you're straight. Jeez. That's the paddle clutch on there. Yo, happy days. Got the phone call. Here to collect the car now. So yeah, once it comes out, we'll show you. Jeez, they charged, yo. Okay, here we are. Woo. Fucking beautiful. Yeah, buddy. She's straight again. Jeez. Oh, mate. Gassed. My charge people, as you can see, the car is now straight. So we're going to wrap it up for that video. There is a few little alignments that I need to adjust and everything. But the main thing, the chassis is straight. And we've got plenty of other work to do to this car. So other than that, make sure you like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, y'all. Cheers!